Hey folks, I just wanted to go through how to file your course log. So this is due at midnight today. Remember, you have a worksheet of the day due as well, but you're going to go to assignments and written work was where we went to. And then you will see there is a folder for participation log. Now this first link is going to open up the document for your participation log. Now you can keep this running throughout the entire semester, but when you open your participation log, this is what it looks like. And we're going to be filing the week 2 log. So what you want to go through is say, did you spend your 6 hours in ALEKS? First thing I want to say is don't lie about this because I have to go through and check it. So I'm going to go ahead and say, I'm going to highlight this. You can circle it. If you have the draw tool, you can draw here, or you can just highlight it. So I'm going to highlight, I'm going to highlight this thing. It's still trying to make me draw. And then I will highlight the yes. It highlighted both for some reason. And then, did I complete my worksheet of the day on time? Yes, so I will go ahead and highlight that. Did I complete my worksheet of the day from Friday on time? I'm going to circle yes. Was my log submitted on time? Again, as long as I get this in before 11:59. And if all of those are yeses, then you will get a P for the week and you can click yes. Now, please note that if any 2 of these are no's, then you will be circling an NP for the week. Remember how this works is you can get 3 NPs this semester. On your 4th one, your grade will drop 10%. So since I was able to complete everything in the first week, I'm going to go ahead and select P. I am going to save this file. I'm just going to go ahead and save it to my desktop. And then I will go to, this is week 2, so I'll go ahead and file this in the week 2 participation log. And I am going to, so you'll go through that process and upload it. I've actually already uploaded that, and you can see my participation log is here and it's been filed. You just go here, go browse computer, and you will find your participation log. And then you will upload it from there. So make sure that gets done by 11:59 on Monday night, and you will be good to go. Again, we have a worksheet of the day due today as well.